Hi everyone, Kieran Brown here, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about how I stopped snoozing instantly overnight. Now, this is a problem that I had growing up a lot. Always, I was quite a night owl, so getting up in the morning was quite a struggle. And it wasn't until I learned about like this technique where I actually started to be able to wake up early and not feel shattered and want to hit the snooze button every morning. So in October, November of this year, and when I came home from Australia, I was in a really good routine. I was getting up at 6 o'clock every morning, and when that alarm would go off, I'd be like straight out of bed and, obviously weigh in first thing and, start my day, which is unthinkable for, previous version of me. Like I said, I was a bit of a night owl, and early mornings were just like not my thing really. If you speak to anyone who knows me, they'll vouch for that. And I was in this really good routine. I was going to bed consistently, waking up at the same time, having plenty of sleep. And then I had knee surgery, ACL reconstruction on the 28th of November. And I sort of made the decision after the surgery that I was not going to set an alarm, and I just wanted to fully focus on recovery, which in my mind was getting as much sleep as my body needed. So what I did is I turned off all alarms, and I just go to bed and wake up, whenever my body decides to wake up. And the first few days, I would wake up at 6, and even before, which was like my usual time. And then what I noticed was slowly it would creep like later and later every morning. And I'd start going to bed like later and later because I wasn't feeling tired. And I'd just slip back into my old ways. And all the progress which I've made getting this good sleeping schedule that I'd worked for was just sort of gone within a couple of weeks, and it went like full swing the other way. And I was just staying up later and later. I couldn't go sleep, and yeah, some nights I was up till 4 or 5 in the morning, and I think the latest was 5:30 in the morning, which is only half an hour before I would usually wake up. And it just happened so quickly. It didn't help that I was kind of like bedbound, like I couldn't really walk for a couple of weeks, so I wasn't doing my sunrise morning walks like usual. Wasn't getting that sunlight into my eyes. I wasn't going gym. I was just a bit of a vegetable, to be honest, like in bed, just looking at screens all day, like in my bedroom. So that definitely would have affected things as well. But now I'm able to do all those things. Not fully recovered yet, but I'm back in the gym. I can walk around and do everything. Just waiting for the green light to start driving again. Now, since the new year, I want to basically get back this routine that I had. I didn't go straight in, so for the first week of this year, today's the 8th. So up until now, I've had my alarm set for 8 o'clock, and then go in bed around anywhere from like 10 to midnight, really. But I really want to get back to the 6 a.m. Routine again because I felt so productive. I loved getting up um, and, you know, smashing out a couple hours of deep work. And then, by the time I went to the gym around lunchtime, all the work that I needed to do for the day was done. And then I can just sort of relax from then on and pursue like other things, like self-development stuff. So yeah, basically from tomorrow, I'll be back on the 6 a.m. alarm, and hopefully that will continue for the foreseeable again. So how to not want to snooze. I always snoozed basically when the alarm went off, and well, two things. Either my phone was in like arm's reach and I can just tap the snooze button, or it was just when the alarm went off and I was just super tired, and I know that I kind of needed some more sleep. So that's one huge thing, is whatever your alarm is, whether it's on your phone or you have an alarm clock, keep it out of arm's reach of your bed, so that when your alarm goes off, you're forced to get out of bed. That's absolutely huge, and it literally has, I'd say, a 99% success rate, if not 100. And when my phone is in arm's reach, I say I probably snooze it like most times. And obviously, not being tired when you wake up, that comes down to the consistent sleep schedule. And like I said before, when I was waking up at 6 a.m. like every day, no matter what, even a weekend, I found that my sleep was just so much better, and that's kind of what I want to get back to. So in summary, to stop snoozing instantly, keep your alarm out of arm's reach, so you have to get out of bed to turn it off, and also stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on the weekends. So if you want one-to-one body transformation coaching and you want to lean down and see some visible abs, then click the first link in the description. It'll take you to a page where you can book a call and have a chat with me, and we can see if we can work together. If not, that's everything for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.